Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for October 12, 2021. We start the month of October with a decent comeback with a string of up days followed by a string of down days. So the S&P 500, they be able to manage to snap back to test the 50-day moving average, but they still not be able to break it. So this week the option expire day, so we will see more volatility coming up and in the next couple of days, and a lot of weird things happen up and down. So the bottom line is the market is still in the sideways correction. The energy sector and the financial sector have been the two best performing sectors so far. So now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see what they are doing, and then I will show you the three best cybersecurity stock. They are on the move. All right, so this is the chart of the Russell 2000. Will be a lot of small and mid cap stock, as you can see there. Even though they are sideways choppy, but it still look like a bull. Okay, as you can see here, this is the body, the foreleg, the ball, and the bum on the shoulder, and the head, and the eye, and the horn. So you still stick with a long time, okay, sideways correction here, but until they be able to break out the downtrend line here, and then the bull will continue. So the picture look like the bull to me. So you have to stick in there until they be able to clear it up, and the bull will continue. So in the short term, you can see that the market is sideways, choppy, up and down, very confusing. But I think that after this week, the market will find a way to put it back up and continue for the uptrend. Okay, so if you look at the ES, as you can see here, the market is still choppy also. As you can see here, they come back down and then they pull back up, they hit to the resistance, they come down, they come back, and then they fell again at the resistance downtrend line here. So technically the market is still sideways. They don't know what to do, but as long as they be able to break out this downtrend line here, and then we will resume the uptrend. So right now they still choppy sideways here. So one day up, one day down. So if you are a day trader, you have to be nimble and don't expect the big move. If you look at the Nasdaq, also it's still choppy sideways here, with the 10-year Treasury note. It hit all time at the high scale, but like I told you on the Monday video, this is a resistance area for the 10-year Treasury note. So when it hit to this level, they will give up. And today, in this, they already give up. So let's see that. Okay, if this guy they be able to come down, it will help a technology stock to move higher. Okay, but the other hand, you can see that volatility index, it a little bit pick it up today. So they pull back down, they hold up. Okay, but let's see it. This one here, they need to come down, because if this one is going to need to put it back up, it can cause some problem for the S&P 500 also. So they gap down, they come back, they try to fill up the gap. Hopefully they will hold down here, and then they will come down again. We'll see by tomorrow. But you see that this week the option expired to see that more volatility pick up. So we still have a strong resistance at this level here also. Hopefully they will hold here and then slam it down again. If you look at the Dow, it also cannot break through the downtrend line here, so they pull back. So let's see, they will continue or they will find support here, and they need to break out here to continue to the uptrend. If you look at the Russell 2000, I just show you that do sideways choppy, they go nowhere. So they need to clear up this triangle here in order to move higher. The crude oil is still extremely bullish, but they are a little bit overbought. So they group up, they pull back down, up, down, but overall trend is still bullish at this moment. The world is still shorted of oil right now. So oil is still in high demand. Gold is still sideways indecision, but right now it's still below the 50-day moving average. Technically, it's still bearish. Okay, so unless they turn around and push it back up, then that will be a different story. But right now, at this moment, they are still choppy sideways in the downtrend. If you look at the Bitcoin is still pretty strong here. Okay, they break out and they pull back a little bit here, and then the momentum is still there. So if they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to rumble to the upside. Ethereum it also put up. They have some resistance, so they pull back, but they're only small pullback. Seems like people are still hold tight to the long-term position here. Okay, and if you look at the, as you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology, and without proper risk management, then for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigators will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective. To be a successful trader or investor, we train, mentor, and empower thousands of our students to operate 100% independently, to navigate the markets with confidence. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor and support you in our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful. And we are trading live with our members every day in the morning, so that they can get guidance by us and make profit, and that they always get the support by our strong community with thousands of members willing to share their ideas and support new members, so that you can follow along. So this is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom and take care of your financial future. On the weekend, on the market forecast, I give you a couple stocks that even, some sector, let's say like XLK, the technology stock, still have trouble, but some stock there is still doing well, like Unity Software is still going strong, and SUBS, okay, that's another one. It's extremely strong today. They take up and hit straight from 700 to 800 just, okay, for one day. That's a big move there. And it also a couple sector that you know right now at the energy sector is still one of the strongest one too, but they are a little bit extended, so you need to buy it when they pull back. Okay, don't buy it when they are too far away. And another sector is still doing very well, which is the financial sector. As you can see here, they put it back, but they pull it back up, so you have to buy it on the dip, don't buy it when it's on the top. So but overall they are still a strong sector. And remember three automotive stock on the move that I told you last week. This one here is still rumble to the upside. CAR, that's another one. It's extremely strong here. They took off, okay, like crazy here, as you can see here. The last couple of days they just rumble to the upside. Another one, that's the Indian model. It also take off straight up from this one here to this one here. Still no sign of problem yet. And today I'm going to show you the three cybersecurity stocks. As you know that the infrastructure deal, they will put up a lot of money to invest in the cybersecurity. Last year, a lot of companies get hit. They pay a big ransom, and they damage a lot of profit because the business shut down. So the infrastructure deal, if they are completely done, they will put a lot of money to help to build up the infrastructure with a higher security. So those cyber security stocks are still very strong and very high demand. So let's take a look on the first one is CIBER, which is the ETF for the Cybersecurity. They after they pull back the last couple of months, they found support. Now they find a way to move it to the upside. The next one is NET. This one is also extremely strong, okay, and very high demand, okay. So the next one is PANW, which is another one too. But you know, a lot of stuff is pretty strong, but you always buy when they pull back, so you can get a better entry. All right, so that's all I have for you today for the market update. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the Thursday market update. Take care, everyone.